Dear students, I hope that first question you must have understood. A few students asked me to explain what are the co-prime numbers. So co-prime numbers are those numbers which have only one common factor, like 11 and 16. They are not divisible by any other common number except 1. So that is why they are called co-prime numbers. 13 and 27 also, and 15 and 28. So these are called co-prime numbers, and once again I am explaining you, co-prime numbers are those numbers which have no other common factor except 1. These numbers are called co-prime numbers. Then we proceed to fourth question today. You will write the question also in your copy. Find the HCF of the numbers by finding factors. Now number is 6 and 9. So now you have learned how to write the factors of any number. Factors, what are the factors? Factors of any number are the numbers that can divide the given number exactly, leaving without any remainder. So factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6. Factors of 9, 1, 3, 9. That means these factors are responsible only to divide these numbers exactly. Then you see the factors of 6 and factors of 9. What are the common factors between 2? 1 and 3. So common factors are 1 and 3. Now among the common factors you see which is the highest common factor. Among 1 and 3, 3 is the higher. So 3 will be the HCF. In this way, in the same way you will do question number B also, 10 and 15. Students, just take care. You should be thorough with the divisibility test for that. 10 is divisible by 1, 2, 5 and 10. And that is why these are called the factors of 10. And factors of 15, 1, 3, 5, 15. Now again you will see what are the common factors except 1. 1 is a universal factor. Factor of all the existing numbers, counting numbers. So 5. Other than 1, 5 is the common factor of 10 and 15. Now 1 and 5, 5 is bigger. So that will be the HCF of 10 and 15. You will do in this way. Then one more question I am doing for you. Number C. Find the HCF of 20 and 32. Now you will write the factors of 20 and factors of 32. Then you will see what are the common factors. 1, 2 and 4. Except these 3 factors, no other factor is common. So among these 1, 2 and 4, which is the highest? 1, 4. So 4 will be the highest common factor, that is HCF. Then D and E. Here D and E also you will do in your notes copy. I repeat, D and E you will do in the notes copy on your own. Then we come to prime factorization. First of all, you understand what is prime factorization. Everyone knows prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. Now 1 and the number itself, like 5, 1 and 5, 7, 1 and 7, 19, 1 and 19. So prime numbers are those numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. So most of the prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. 2 is the only even prime number, and that is the smallest prime number. So today we will learn prime factorization, and through by prime factorization we will learn how to find the HCF. So the question number 5, it is given number A 30 and 75. So you will factorize first of all 30. This is the way of prime factorization, and for this also you need to be thorough with the divisibility test. 30 is an even number, and divisibility by 2 says at one's place if there is 0 or even number, this is that number is divisible by 2. So we will start with the dividing by 2. You will divide 30 by 2, 15 2s are 30, then 15 is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3, so 3 5s are and 5 1s are. Till we get 1 at last, we keep on dividing. Then 75. You know divisibility by 3, when you add the digits of a number, if that sum is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. So 7 plus 5, 12, that is divisible by 3, so 75 also will be divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 15, 5 1s are. So in both the cases we got 1 at last. Now you will write here the factors of 30 equal to 2 into 3 into 5 and 75 equal to 3 into 5 into 5. If you want to check whether this term is correct or not, you multiply. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 3 5s are 15, 15 5s are 75. If the product of this number is not equal to this, that means there is something wrong. Now you see what are the common factors again. In the prime factorization, after factorize the numbers, you will see what are the common factors between these two numbers, 3 and 5. Then you multiply this 3 into 5 and then you will get your answer, that is HCF of 30 and 75 is 15. How will you recheck your answer? That you divide 30 and 75 by 15. If you get no remainder, that means your answer is correct. Then question number B, HCF of 64 and 80. In the same way you will factorize 64 and then 80. Then you write here in this way, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. If you multiply, you will get 64, and here you will multiply these numbers, then you will get 80. Now you see what are the common factors. 2, 2, 2, 2. Number of times 2 is common. So now we will multiply that 4 times 2 is common. So 4 times we will multiply and we get 16. So 16 will be the HCF of 64 and 80. If you divide 64 and 80 by 16, there will be no remainder. 16 4s are 64 and 16 5s are 80. Then number C, 36 and 81. Now 36, you know that is even number divisible by 2, then 18, then here you divide this till you get 1. Now 81, there is 1, it is not divisible by 2, so we will check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 8 plus 1 9, that is divisible, so 81 also is divisible by 3. Then 27 again divisible by 3, and then you get 1. Now in the same way we will write the factors of 36 and factors of 81. Now you see that 2 times 3 are common. So we will multiply and we get 9 as HCF of 36 and 81. I hope it is clear. Now we will take till here fifth question, 5C. If there is any confusion, you just ask me through the message on my personal number. I will explain you again. Then sixth question onwards we'll take tomorrow. There.